everybody. This is pretty much the calm before the storm. It's supposed to storm and rain a whole lot today. And it hasn't even gotten, I don't think the storm's even gotten here yet. And it's pretty nasty outside. Already got the Halloween stuff out. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you all are staying safe. Whatever you're doing. Yeah, it's pretty nasty outside today. I don't think I'll be good. I might go to Casey today, but maybe to work out. This dude needs to eat. Like he hasn't eaten in a while. He's all skin and bone. He's all bones. And this guy is always happy. Whew, it is pretty nasty outside, to say the least. This is the front of our house. It's not a bad looking house. My dad built it, or helped construct it. Running my path this wide. It's like this guy, he's up to no good. I don't think this storm has even reached us yet, and it's pouring down. So, might walk down the street a little bit. It is very nasty outside today. This is why I got the cover over it today, over my camera, because it would ruin it. It probably wouldn't work anymore. I wasn't going to walk down this road. It ain't too bad to walk down. I'll probably just walk to the end and back. Staying safe out there. I've never actually walked on this road when it's pouring down, well, just drizzling right now. It's supposed to rain, I think, all day. It's been a while since I walked down the road. Anybody else walk down their road? This road ain't too long. It's not hot. That's a good thing. Y'all remember those shoes from a couple videos back. They are still here. There's one of them. Got the other one? There's the other shoe right there. See that? To me, these shoes are still here. It's probably, these shoes are probably from over there. That wouldn't surprise me. Be more videos coming soon. I'll probably film about 2 more videos, maybe 3. It all depends on what I come out with, but stay tuned for more and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. I know 100 people viewed my videos, but you're not subscribed. We're going to walk all the way down to this road and back. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know 100 people viewed my videos just this month alone. And I know that people viewed them for 144 minutes. Come on, I know y'all can subscribe. There will be plenty more content coming out. Plenty more content. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to Jumper Adventures. That's one of my buddies. He does food challenges and all kind of stuff. Like, he even does video gaming. He hasn't done that in a while, but y'all will like his hot sauce challenges. Y'all will like those very well. Don't forget to subscribe to Jumper Adventures also. And we're at the end of this road. Look at all this water. Stream of water going down the road. That's what it's going to be like probably about all day. And a couple of days, actually. Supposed to get at least 3 inches, I think. dude that does jumper adventures a good long while. I used to work with him. He's a good guy. But don't forget to subscribe to him and to subscribe to this channel. And all these U-Haul trailers. There will be other videos coming out very soon. Very soon. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I walked down to Casey, West Columbia. There's 2 parts of those videos. Don't forget to check those out. And I also do some challenges, like jumper adventures. Don't forget to check those out. Check his videos out and check mine out. And to subscribe to both channels. Now we're back down this road. It is raining cats and dogs. Just drizzling now, but I've never actually walked in the rain like this. I walk down this road. I'll probably premiere this video very soon, maybe today or tomorrow. But don't forget to check these videos out, okay? I might be talking about sports next on my next videos. Maybe college and professional football sports. And college football sports. So don't forget to check that out. I might make them today.